So we have this interesting geometry question today. In this question, we are given this quarter circle, 1/4 circle, whose radius is 2. And we are given a line segment which is perpendicular and parallel to this radius. We need to find this pink area, shaded area. Let's see how we can find this area. To find this shaded area, I'll be doing some construction work in this figure. Let's see what we can do. So I'll be joining this center of quarter circle with the end point of this line segment, and we will also name this point. Let's see, let this point be point B and let this point be point D. Now we can start solving our question. See, this is the radius of the circle CD. CB is also the radius of the circle, so this is also 2, correct? Now please look at triangle BAC. It is a right triangle. It is a right triangle, correct? Now I'll be applying Pythagoras theorem here. I'll be applying Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. Yes, according to Pythagoras theorem, we have AC square plus AB square is equals to BC square. This will give us AC as 1 square plus AB square we need to find out. This will give us 2 square. If we solve this, we will get AB as root 3. This is the value of AB. Let's mark this in the figure. AB is root 3. Let me use a different color. Root 3. This is root 3. Okay. Now, after finding AB, let's learn something unique about a right triangle. In a right triangle, whenever the ratio of sides is 1, root 3 and 2, please mind, I am talking about the ratio of sides. That means it will work for other sides as well. But the ratio should remain 1, root 3 and 2. Whenever the ratio of sides is 1, root 3 and 2, the angles opposite to these sides are 60 degree. 60 degree is opposite to root 3 and 30 degree is opposite to 1. Opposite to 90 degree, we have hypotenuse, that is 2. So please keep this ratio in mind. For 30, 60 and 90 degree angles, the ratio of sides in a right triangle is 1, root 3 and 2. This concept can be used in various other questions. So let's use this concept in triangle BAC and mark the remaining angles 30 degree and 60 degree. So angle opposite to side root 3 will be 60 degree. This angle will be 60 degree, correct? So let's mark it in the figure. This is 60 degree. Similarly, angle opposite to 1 will be 30 degree. That means this angle will be 30 degree. Though we don't need it, but still you should know this, correct? Now, if this angle is 60 degree, what will be this angle? This angle will be 30 degree. Why? Because this was a quarter circle. This angle was 90 degree. Out of 90, we got 60 here. So remaining 30 will be this angle, correct? Okay. Now let's see how we can find the shaded area. To find the shaded area, we can first find the area of quarter circle and we can subtract the area of right triangle BAC from that, and we can also subtract the area of sector BCD, correct? From the quarter circle, we can subtract the white area, that is area of right triangle, and area of sector BCD. That will give us the shaded area. Now let's start with the area of quarter circle. So first of all, what is the formula for area of a quarter circle? Area of a quarter circle is pi r square upon 4. So pi Radius of this quarter circle is 2 upon 4. Correct? Subtracting the area of a right triangle BAC. Let's see what is the area of right triangle BAC. Area of any right triangle is half times base times height. So half times base. Base in this case we can take it as 1 and height we can take it as root 3. Even if you interchange 1 and root 3, it will still give the same answer. Now we will also subtract the area of sector BCD. Let's see what is the area of sector BCD. Area of any sector is theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Correct? Now what is this theta? Theta is the angle that the sector makes at the center. So in this case, the sector is making this angle 30 degree at the center. Correct? This is the angle that the sector BCD is making at the center. So it will be theta equals to 30 degree upon 360 degree, correct, into pi r square. Pi, and what is the radius of this sector? The radius of this sector is same as that of quarter circle, that is 2, correct. So solving this expression will give us the final answer. So let's simplify this. If we simplify this, we will get pi minus root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 12 times 4 pi. We can simplify this further. We will get pi minus root 3 by 2 minus pi by 3. Correct? If we simplify this further, we will be getting 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. So this will be the most simplified and final answer. This will be the shaded area. Correct?